Okay, let's turn in.
Huh? We're going to bed already?
Naruto, I am leading this team.
Okay, I get it already. Ugh, this is stupid. There's no way I can fall asleep so early. Waterfall. What the? Where'd they go?
Still tired after all that sleep?
Well, the thing is, I went out to take a whiz last night and saw something amazing.
What was so amazing?
A waterfall with a beautiful woman standing in the middle of it.
Get out! What'd you do?
Well, I tried to speak to her, but she disappeared. Hey, Hinata, your face is all red. You must be coming down with something.
I'm fine, really.